So in this video, we'll see how to summarize the data. That means I want to sum of the sales amount country-wise, zone-wise, country and zone-wise, country-wise, monthly, and for a particular zone. So for this, first I'm taking the formula sumif, the range. So this is the criteria range. So my criteria is present in the column C, and the criteria is USA. And the sum range is column I. So this gives the sales amount in the country USA. You can copy and paste the formula here. Here I need to just change the country name because the criteria range and the sum range are same. If the formula is pasted in the same column, there will be no shifts in the formula. If you are pasting the formula in either left or right side, so there will be same movement will be happening in the formula. Now I can format this amount. Suppose if I don't want any commas, I can make it as just a number. The commas will be removed. Or if I want to have a commas, I can separate with the commas by clicking here. And decimal, if you want, you can have the decimals, or otherwise you can remove. If I want to have a currency symbol, also I can put it like this. So this way we can do the formatting on the numbers. Next is zone wise. So here I'll use the sumif because we are using only one condition, that is the zone is equals to south. So zone information is in the column G, and the criteria is here south, and some range column I. Next I'm going for the north. Since my formula is in the same column, I can copy paste and just change the criteria name. Now here I'm looking for two conditions: country is equal to USA and zone is equals to south. So here I'll use sumifs sum range, that is column I, and the criteria range 1, this column C, then criteria 1, your country is USA, and criteria range 2, column G, and zone is south. So this gives the amount in USA from the south zone. Here I can copy paste in the same column, but if I copy paste in the right side, then the formula will be shifted. So here I'll go for country name as Japan, and here the country name is India, and here the country name is Germany. As I told you, if I shift this formula to one position right, so all the formulas will be changed to one position right. Like I column was sales amount, it will change to the column J. If you can check it, put a F2 here to column J, and column D, the country criteria was changed to column D. Then the zone column changed to column H. So I can change this. Okay. So first I can drag here. First column D, I'm moving to column C. Can observe the change in the formula, and column H change it to column G, and column J is changed to column I, and the zone name is North. So to reduce our task, we can just copy paste and suitably change the criteria range. Then India, then here in copy pasting, and here in case of India, let's type Germany. Then we can continue for East. Same here, column J I'm shifting to column I, column H I'm shifting to column G, column D I'm shifting to column C. My name is USA, country is USA, and the zone is East. The case sensitive, so even if I write the small alphabets, it will be working. So here I'll change the USA to Japan, then here I'll change it to India. Here I'm using the small letters to test. Yes, it's working. It is not showing any error. Then Japan. Now for West. So I'll go for F2. J is changing to I. Column H is shifted to column G, and column D is shifted to column C. I West. I just copy paste. So for the second one, if it is the same column, there is no change in the formula. If it is shifting to the right side or left side, the formula moves similar positions. So this is Japan. Here India. Then Germany. So I want format. I can select all the cells at a time and I can go for the format. I can select the currency, whichever currency I want. If you want, we can go for more number formats also. Here we can have any type of currencies. So any type of symbol also I can take it. So I'm taking US dollar. I can fix the number of decimals, 1, 2 if you want. You can see the preview here. I don't want any decimals. Like, and I want to implement the same format to others also. So I can use the format painter. So I put my cursor here and I'll go for the format painter. I'll double click here and I can drag here. Suppose it was the rupees, it was changed to the dollars. I can drag here, so everything will be in this format. This is the importance of the format painter. Now here I want to merge these two into a single cell. So I can select both the cells, then I can go for merge and center, and I want to have this alignment in the middle. So here I can select the left alignment, right alignment, middle alignment. Okay, here the middlemost alignment. So I can do any type of formatting here. And I want to make everything is in the board. So accept this. So I select all the things and I can go to here, click on this B, it will be changed to bold. Here I want the country to be USA and I want the sales amount in the month of January and the zone is south. Here we have a multiple criteria. So here three criteria are to look at it. So this is some ifs, some range, criteria 1, that is country is USA, comma, criteria range 2, so zone I'm selecting, and zone is here, south. And the third criteria I'm selecting the month. So I'm selecting the column E and I have to type here Jan. Close the quotes, then close the parentheses. Here I've separated comma. Even if you miss more comma, it will be throw error. So here similarly I can go for, here I shifted the formula to the one position right, so it will change this. So suitably I have to adjust it. So column J is here, column H is here, column F is here, and column D is column C. And the month is January, to be replaced with February. So I have to give the same name that is present here, that particular column. So this will be the sales amount. So it becomes a very tedious job if you are having a more and more conditions. You're having more and more conditions. To avoid this, we can use another tool called pivot table in Microsoft Excel. So that will be very comfortable and you can get the summary of the data within a few seconds. Now we'll go for how to use the pivot table in Excel. Before that, we have to select the data, then go to the insert and click on the pivot table. So here, as you have selected the data, it will automatically show here. Or we can take the data from the external data source, that is from any other Excel also. And we want this pivot table to be placed in the new worksheet or existing worksheet. Right now I'm going for the existing worksheet and I have to fix the location. Suppose I want here. So I'll be getting all the fields in the selected data, and I have filters here like report filter, column labels, row labels, and the summation values, sigma values, yes, summation values. Here I can drag any fields and I can place. In the sales amount, I'll put it in the summation values, and suppose I want a country wise, I'll put it in the row. So I'll be easily getting the country wise spend. So no need of writing multiple formulas here. Suppose if I want country wise zone, I want in the zone in the column, so I can go here. So initially it was placed such a way that it is in alphabetical order. I can change the order by clicking here. Suppose I want to sort with the Z to A. So west is coming first and east is going last. And if I want to sort by A to Z, east is coming and west is lost. Or I can go for other sorting methods. I can select here the fields, whatever I used, sales amount. So it will be the ascending order, the smaller to the larger. Suppose I want on the descending order, I can sort descending order. I can select sales amount, then click OK. So I'll be getting the highest one first in that particular row. Here, if I want to have highest sales in the top, so here I have to select the row labels. The row labels I'll go for here and I'll select the descending sales amount. Now, USA had the highest sales amount, so it is coming to the top position. We can select this and we can do the formatting as we done in the previous case. To make it visible, I can extend this by double click here. So this way we can get the information. Suppose I want country wise, month wise, zone spend. So like this I can do. Here not only the sum, we can have some more fields and I can change the field setting also. So instead of sum, I can take the average. So I've added another column called average. So I got the total sum and the total average. So for each one, I got this one. Suppose I don't want to have for each one of them, I can remove the totals by clicking the left click and remove the subtotals. It will remove the subtotals. So I can have any type of operations. If I click here, it will show the show field. If I want the first zone wise month instead of month wise zone, I can interchange, then I can add. Previously, zone was in the column wise and month wise in the row. So now I changed month to column labels and zone to row labels. To have a better look, we can click right click and look into the pivot table options. So here I can have different things. Here it is showing empty cells. So here if I look at the Germany, January East, there is a no spend. So if I remove this, it will show a zero in place of that or an hyphen sign. So we can do a lot of changes. We can display in classic pivot table layout, so which gives a better understanding of the data. And if I want to remove the sum total country wise, I can remove it. So like that, we can get the summary of the data within few minutes. And we can copy paste this as a table. Suppose I want to copy paste this, I can select for whatever information I want, and I can go for a new location and paste. So I can use it as a table. By going the borders, I can do a lot of formatting also here. So by using a pivot table, we can do the data analysis within a few seconds, and it will give multiple options. So thanks for watching this video.